for class 5. You take out in the textbook page number 100. Page number 100, that is textbook, Oxford textbook, page number 100. Now, in 100, there are second. Say whether the following statements about the passages are true for T or false for F. You write there. When it is, I say true, you write T. When I say it is false, you write what is that called? False. Okay. Now, Valentina seldom thought about blind people. That is a false. Second, B. Blind people can distinguish any mark on paper. That is a false. C. The evening was quite warm. False. D. Valentina gave the blind beggar a saw. False. Then E. A saw is of more value than a franc. False. Then F. Valentina stepped back onto the pavement to avoid the horse. It's true. Okay. Now coming to the next page, that is other exercise, you leave it there. So come on to the page 101. You take out page number 101. That exercise I am going to tell you. So accordingly, you just mark it. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions from the list below. Page number 101 in the textbook. Page number 101 in the textbook. Okay. Now, what is that? Please wait dash the bus arrives. So first one, until. Okay. Until. Now second one, would you like some tea? Dash, would you prepare coffee? Reorder, write or. There you write or. Okay. Now coming to the third one, we won't be late. Dash, you take us in your car. That is if. We won't be late if you take us in your car. If. Okay. D. We went to the zoo. Dash, we saw many animals. Where. We went to the zoo. Where WHERE, we saw many animals. E. Ramu is paid little money. Dash, he works very hard. Whether means not that whether. Ramu is paid little money. Whether he works very hard. Which I said F, no? Sorry, F, no, E. E, you correct E. Ramu is paid little money. Whether he works very hard. Okay. I made little mistake. E is there. Although should come although. E should come although. I read wrong one. Although. Okay. Now correct it. Ramu is paid little money. Although he works very hard. Although. Okay. Then next F. Whether. They will leave after lunch. Whether their friend comes or not. Whether is not that whether. W-E. This is WHETHER. G. Unless. You cannot be heard unless you shout. Okay, unless. H. The children cross the road after the traffic lights change to green. Now once more all the answers nicely here, and you write. A, until. B, or. C, if. D, where. E, although. F, whether. G, unless. H, after. Over. So that is what you have to Right. Now coming to the next exercise here, join the sentences below using the conjunction as, for, since or while. You just write it there only in between wherever that I say. The sun was very hot, for it was still summer. Write the answer. What answer you have to write, that you write. Full stop will go. No more full stop. You have to remove that full stop from there. The sun was very hot, for it was still summer. B. She can find the way since she is so clever. She can find the way since she was so clever. C. He began to get frightened as it was getting dark. She he began to get frightened as it was getting dark. D. Mona read a book while the baby slept. Mona read a book as the baby slept. Now here, what is that called? Nouns. Here are two list words. The first list consists of verbs and the second consists of nouns. Can you find out what the missing nouns are? How will you find out? Verbs, act. So that we will see afterwards. Don't bother about it, studying that. That later on when we come to the, what is that called? Next we will see to it. Okay. Now this is what this much exercise, and then now any exercise left that you go through, then I will give you all the exercises. And for the exam, word meanings are there. You need to study the word meanings as well as all the poems, authors you have to read, poets who has written, who has what is that called, done, all that. And all the grammars you have to study nicely. Grammar part can come from anywhere. You cannot say, ma'am, we did not teach. So you can come from the post standard book also, or else it can come from the this also. So nothing. So grammar you have to study nicely. So don't say, ma'am, we did not study, or you didn't tell. Whatever portion is given, that you study. And poems, in between of the poems, stanza, something in between of the stanzas, there should be some questions also might come. Okay, so study well. This is what for today's work.